Hello. Let's see if this works. Hey. Um, for today's lesson, we have our Connect Extend challenge. On the left side of our document, we will see our Think One. So these are the Think Ones for why you think people write children's books. So I just took all your examples, what you were thinking, and put them here. And then I just put a picture from our dreadful Struwwelpeter text over here. This is, remember, doesn't necessarily be this image. It's just what we have read so far. So we read the introduction poem about Struwwelpeter. We've read the kid that sucks his thumb, and we've read the poem which is about this girl and how it teaches you not to play with matches. Dreadful, wonderful. Um, so to do this Connect Extend challenge, um, you draw a straight line between any idea here and your Struwwelpeter. If you're not sure how to draw a line, you go to Insert, Wink. You use a shape. You take the arrow and you go. So teach children language. Certainly, when we've been reading the Struwwelpeter poems, it's full of great language. So it absolutely would teach children language, maybe an appreciation of language. So I could put a line here because it's a connect. It connects to what we thought. We thought that it teaches children language. It does that. If you want to add a comment, and you don't have to, it's some of you have figured out how to write on the document. You could also just do insert, shape, text box, stick it there, write anything you want in there, like lots of interesting, let's just say lots of language in the poems, and then you can just twist it a bit so that it looks like it's sitting on the line, and you can maybe squish it down a bit, and then you do shape fill, no fill, and then it'll look like shape fill, no fill. Oh, not shape fill, shape outline, dude. Now you can see I've got it sort of messed up a bit. Once you do this a few times, it's easy peasy. Oh my god, okay. So your extend is there something that we got out of the Struwwelpeter book that extends what we were thinking, something that isn't necessarily here or it extends beyond that? Well, look at Shakira Liu. 1 second. Little visit from Shakira Liu. Okay, extend. Okay, how it extends what we were thinking. So it could be something here that we were thinking, and it may just extend what we were thinking. So even here, you could say like, if you wanted to have an extend, you could say lots of language in the poems, which was quite gruesome. So it's actually language which I wouldn't normally associate with kids wanting to read that young. You know what I mean? Gruesome. Gruesome? Gruesome. That's how you spell gruesome. Okay. Just stick it there. Happy day. And then, or you can just write it down here. Just write extend. Blah, blah. Okay. And the last one is challenge, but it's like, I never thought of that, or it's confusing. I don't know if that's, I'm confused by this, I'm challenged by this, I'm totally bewildered by this. So you may say, like, just write challenge. I never thought, or it is surprising that, statements like that. Okay, have a go. Yeah. If you want to read more of Struwwelpeter, actually, I'm going to put an article in today's lesson, which links to another person who became a children's author, and her older brother used to read her Struwwelpeter when she was a little kid, and how she was always really upset by it. He used to do it to her to torture her. but she was obsessed with it. Like, you know, sometimes when we're kids, we do get obsessed with quite scary or things that are not really age appropriate, but we tend to look for them. So, you know, like scary movies or scary TV shows or books which have things that, you know, our teachers say, oh, we're probably not ready for them yet. But as kids, we tend to really want to read those sorts of things or watch those sorts of things, and we become obsessed with it. So I would recommend reading some of that article. It's just interesting, and it'll give you a little bit of history. Importantly, a little bit of history as to when this book was written and why. Okay, good luck.